Hey babes, welcome back. So you can see that I already have my face done and everything. And I'm making another video too, so I'm just going to turn one video into two videos. That way it doesn't take that long. That way you aren't watching like a 30 to 45 minute video. So that's why I'm turning it into two videos. So I'm going to show you how to cream contour, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm just going to apply it under the eyes. Chin. Got the Cupid's bow. Nose. Already got my brows and eyes done, as you can tell. I mean, I'm looking kind of crazy right now, but trust me, it's all going to pull together, so just bear with me. And now I'm going to take the Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick by L'Oreal. It looks like this. It's dark. And I'm just going to go right here, my cheekbones. Forehead. Right here a little bit. Okay, and then you want to do right here a little bit. And then your jawline. Now we just look perfect, don't we? First, I'm going to take my beauty blender. Well, it ain't a beauty blender, it's a Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just going to blend out under the eyes first. I want to be careful with my eyeshadow because I already have it all done and everything, so. Be careful under the eyes if you already have your eyeshadow done. Just keep blending it. Try not to touch the dark contour yet. Just try to stay away from it a little bit and blend out the light contour. Chin. So now we're going to do the nose. I'm just going to take this brush. It's the Morphe E23 brush. I'm just going to blend up the nose like this. Just barely push. And that line out first. So you can start blending this out too. It's easier to do this with a brush if you have your brows done. That way you don't mess up your brows. Okay, and then take your brush and start blending out the brown contour on your nose. So, now for the rest of the face, you can either do it with the sponge or a brush, or with both. I usually do it with both. It makes me feel like that it blends it out better if I'm using both. I don't know why, but that's just what I do. So I'm going to take the Morphe E8 brush, and I'm just going to start blending this out. First I'm going to push it back some, like that. Then I'm just going to blend it. I feel like you have more control when you're using a brush. And then I feel like you can go back in with the sponge and like make sure it's really blended out nicely. And you want to like pounce this back on your ear. Okay, and down here. Just all the way around until it's blended out. This does take time, so if you're not patient, then you should probably just use powders. Now the forehead. You're going to blend it back into your hair. But I like bringing mine down a little bit because I have a big forehead and I want it to make my forehead look smaller. Okay, and if you kind of lose like your contour in your nose, the white, you can just go back in with more concealer, like just add like a dot. add like a dot, and you can just blend it out, and it'll make it brighter. See? Okay, so I'm going to go with the sponge and make sure it's all blended out really nicely. And you just pounce on it. Now I'm taking the Morphe M438 brush, a powder brush, and I'm just going to set my face. Using the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I'm just going to take this Eco Tools brush right here, and I'm just going to dip in the powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with it. Can't forget the nose. What I like to do is I like to go in with a bronzer and just go over it just to make sure, like, it just, I don't know, it gives it like a oomph, and it just makes it look like 10 times better. So I'm just going to go over it with a bronzer and then leave it at that. Okay, so I'm going to go with this little bronzer. I got it in my Ipsy bag. It's a Lisa Frank bronzer, and it's Lisa Frank times Glamour Dolls. So I don't know if they still have this or not, but I like it. I think it works really good. We're just going to go in and bronze the face with it. Just over the cream contour that we applied. And it sets it too. Like, I mean, I know we set it with translucent powder, but it sets it even more to where it won't move at all. So that's good. We're actually going to go in and contour the nose because it just has to be done, okay? We have to contour the nose. So I'm just going to take this little angled brush, and I'm just going to take the Profusion Cosmetics Blush Kit. It has like a bronzer contour shade in it. I'm going to go into this shade right here for my nose. Okay, we're going to take a little bit and put it down here. Just to darken it up. Okay, so we're going to do highlight, and I'm just going to use this as well. I'm going to go into Bashful right here. This little fan brush. Just going to put it on. I think this is so pretty as a highlighter. I just love it. I think I'm going to mix another highlighter with this, just to see what it looks like, because I have another one that's like a little bit darker than this shade. I want to see what it looks like. I think it would be pretty together. We're going to go into the blush in here too, right there, into Juicy. We're going to take the Lexi blush brush, just tap it like once or twice and then knock it off. Just barely apply it to the cheeks because this stuff is bright. It's very pigmented. Yeah, it blended really nice. I like their stuff, I swear. All the kits I got, they were awesome. I'm going to go with the Stila highlight, and it's in the shade Kitten. And this is like a putty type highlighter. It's so cool. Like, it's crazy how it is. And it's so pretty too. Just going to take the same fan brush, swirl in there, and just add it on top. See how pretty that is? I'm just going crazy with it. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip palette, and I'm going to go in with, if I can get it open. There we go. I'm going to go into this white shade right here, and it's Exotica. That is so freaking pretty. I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight. Okay, and I'm going to use this little teeny brush. This eyeshadow is like so freaking bright. Do you see that? Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go off camera and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I got my face finished. All I need to do are my lips, and I'm going to go in with the Profusion Cosmetics Lip Kit, and it's in Charm. Look how pretty that is. I love these colors. I'm excited to use them. So first I'm going to go in with the lip liner. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the liquid lipstick. I'm going to let this dry down so you guys can see what it looks like when it's dry and completely matte. It's really freaking pretty. I love it. And I might use the lip topper, I'm not sure, but I'll do a swatch of it so you guys can see what it looks like. Show you my hand. Just like a really sheen, pretty glitter. It's so pretty, look at it. Hopefully you guys can see that. But you can see it in the bottle too. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so my lips are dry now, and I think this lipstick is so pretty. I don't think it really goes good with my eye look, so I might change it, but look how pretty it is. So I'm going to try to apply the lip topper just to see what it looks like together. Maybe it'll change it and make it look better with the eye look. I don't know. We're going to see. Okay, I must say it's really beautiful and I love it, but I'm just not filling this together. So I'm going to take it off and I'm going to go in with this other one I got. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this lip kit by Profusion Cosmetics, the one I tried in my last video. I really like it, and it's in Secret Nude. Looks like this. These two. I'm not going to put the lip topper on because I just want matte lips. Okay, so now I'm going to go with the liquid lipstick. I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to go in with a lighter nude lipstick, and I'm just going to do like a ombre effect on my lips. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Luminous liquid lipstick in Blush Jasmine. So cute. We're just going to put this in the middle of the lips. Like that. And then you want to go like this. I always do that, and then sometimes I go in with my finger because your finger helps a lot. Just pat it. There we go. I also have this liquid lipstick. It's by Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Nudie Patootie, and I love this shade. I haven't got to use it yet, but I love it. I'm going to add some of that on there too. Who cares? Let's just add like 1,000. There we go. I think that looks a lot better. Okay guys, I'm going to set my face. Get my sponge. You know the deal. Literally just like pushes every powder that you have on your face in and makes it like blend in with your skin. Okay, so most of you probably know that I got my hair done, and I just freaking love it. Like, I think it's so pretty. It looks cute, and I was always scared to do something different, but I just said heck with it and went for it. I was like, whatever. I was like, I just want to change my hair. I'm so sick of it because it's always been the same, and it was just driving me crazy. But now I'm going to scoot closer so you guys can have a good look at my eyes. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what look you want me to do. If you want me to do a look, like a certain eyeshadow look, anything. Like, just let me know, please. Because I just keep doing stuff and I'm like, I wish someone would tell me, like, you know, like a look they would want me to do or whatever, but if not, it's fine. I can just keep making stuff up. But I think this turned out really pretty. I know you guys didn't get to see the eye look on this video, but I hope the cream contour helped you guys a lot. Because it can be hard. It also depends on what products you buy when you're doing it, because some of them don't blend well at all. So that could be a problem if you're having trouble with that. So just try to like look up YouTube videos and see what products do work well with cream contour. Like, okay, I have this Infallible L'Oreal. It says it's a shaping stick. So this is it right here. You know, that's what I used tonight. But I also have, let me find it. This is it right here. Okay, and I also have this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I use it to cream contour, and it works really good too. So, and it's really easy to blend out. Like, it's easier to blend out than the L'Oreal shaping stick or whatever. But the Maybelline one is easier to blend out because it's a liquid, and this is more like a cream, so that's why it's just, it ain't hard, but that's why it's different or whatever, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up now. Like, just hush, Jamie. But anyways, I hope to help someone out with this video, and I love you guys. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye, guys.